How to turn on and enable use data for offline files. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, now scroll down again until you find use data for offline files option. Click on it and click OK. Now it's turned on successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.